Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about this 3-day juice cleanse from SUJA. I got it from Sam's Club for $22, and this box contains 9 cold pressed juices, and this is basically 3-day juice cleanse. So you are consuming 3 bottles per day. So that's how the box looks like, and you can see more information on it. So here is little more information about the three type of juices which are in this, and they say that whenever you feel hungry, wait for 30 minutes and then you consume one of these bottle, depending upon when you are using it. And that's the more information, and here you can see more nutritional facts about the juices which are in here. And they say they have preserved this thing with high pressure processing instead of high heat or preservatives and all. So that's why you can see the expiry date is very like it's not long. Like I just bought it 3 or 4 days back, and it says like it's expiring on 30. So I think today is 22nd. Yeah, so you won't get more like longer expiry dates, which is good thing in a way, because you are not eating something which is packed with preservatives that way. So that's the whole box. So inside this you get 9 bottles of these 3 juices, 3 each, and 3 recipes as well. Like you can create those recipes to supplement them along with this 3-day juice renewal. So without wasting much time, let's just dive in. Here is Love SUJA, and then you get this card which has all the information. Let's check it out. So it contains 3-day meal plan. So here are the suggested meal plans and more information. Here are the detailed recipes. You can check it out when you get the box for yourself. And here are the 9 bottles. So I'll just show you one of each. So guys, you make sure you keep them refrigerated, because they are preservative free, so you want them to be nice and cold so that they don't turn bad. So that's how they look like. Now guys, I'll be starting my juice cleanse today, and I'll be updating how I feel about it or what I want time to time. And at the end of the day, at the end of the 3-day period, I will update what I felt about the entire juice cleanse thing, or it was worth it or not. So stay tuned. So guys, this is my juice cleanse, and this is morning drink. And I'm surprised the date, best by date here is different from what was on the outer packaging, so I'm quite confused there. And it gives you all the details what's inside. It's daybreak probiotic, so it's 28 probiotic CFUs per bottle. So it has water, maple syrup, lemon, and it has vegan probiotics. So it's 354 milliliter or 12 fluid ounces. It's non-GMO, cold pressed and cold pressured protection. And at the back you can see all the details. So guys, here's my lunch, and you can see that's how the juice looks like. Everything is settled at the bottom, and you have to just shake it up, and then you can see it just like turns into dark green color. Here you can see that, and now you have to consume it. So I think this thing tastes better like than your morning drink and your like dinner drinks. So that's that. So I'll be having this, and at the dinner I'll be giving you my final views of what I felt about this diet. So guys, as I told you, I did SUJA a 3-day juice cleanse, and here are my reviews. The first thing which I want to say is juices. I mean, I was expecting better taste, but they are horrible. I didn't like the taste of any of the juices which were provided, especially the dinner juice. It was like it was so difficult for me to like drink it, but it was good. And throughout the diet I didn't feel like I was hungry or anything. I did supplemented my diet with soups. I had tomato soup and chicken soup, and I didn't had any of those recipes which is mentioned in the juice box itself. You can go and make those recipes and like eat them along with your juice cleanse, but I stayed on liquid diet throughout entire time. And it was easy, it wasn't difficult or anything. I was expecting I'll feel a lot more hungry and I'll feel like I have no energy left, but that was not the case. I mean, it went on smoothly and I really enjoyed it. And I feel very lighter now. I feel so good about myself that I was able to do it, and my body feels detox. So overall, I like this thing. I think I'm gonna do it once a month always now, because it's a good practice to detox your body every month for 2 or 3 days without like eating anything. And now I'm also moving towards a healthy lifestyle. I want to kind of eliminate preservatives, GMO diet, and bad things like those. So I'll focus more and more on detoxification. So this is my first step. So it went well and I enjoyed it. You guys can try it out too. And that was all for this video, guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.